Did you know that some Samsung TVs have hidden gaming settings that can reduce input lag by up to 20 milliseconds? That could seriously level up your gaming experience. As a gamer, you're probably always on the lookout for ways to get an edge over your opponents. One way to do that is by optimizing your TV's gaming input settings. These settings can make a huge difference in your gaming experience, but they're often overlooked. Many gamers don't even realize that their TV has these settings, let alone know how to use them. But don't worry, we're about to dive into the world of Samsung TV gaming input settings and explore what they have to offer. Samsung is a leading manufacturer in the TV market, and they've been working hard to improve their gaming input technology over the years. From the early days of gaming to the present, Samsung has been a major player in the industry. Their TVs have always been popular among gamers, but now they offer even more features to enhance the gaming experience. With their latest models, Samsung has made it easier than ever to get the most out of your gaming sessions. So, what exactly can you expect from Samsung's gaming input settings? For starters, there's the low latency mode, which reduces the delay between your controller and the TV. This mode is a game changer for fast-paced games that require quick reflexes. Then there's HDR support, which offers a more immersive gaming experience with richer colors and contrast. You also get custom settings, which allow you to fine-tune your gaming experience to your liking. These settings include options for adjusting the picture, sound, and even the controller. Some Samsung TVs also offer a game mode that optimizes the TV settings for gaming. This mode can be activated with just a few clicks, and it makes a big difference in the quality of your gaming experience. You can even adjust the settings to suit your specific gaming needs. For example, you can turn off any unnecessary image processing to reduce input lag. This level of control is rare in the TV industry, and it's a major advantage for gamers. The best part is that these settings are easy to access and use, even if you're not tech-savvy. With Samsung's gaming input settings, you can enjoy a more responsive, immersive gaming experience. The low latency mode is one of the most important features of Samsung's gaming input settings. It works by reducing the delay between your controller and the TV, which can make a huge difference in fast-paced games. But how does it work, exactly? Basically, the TV processes the video signal more quickly, which reduces the delay. This means that you see the action on screen more quickly, which can give you an edge over your opponents. The HDR support is also worth mentioning, as it offers a more immersive gaming experience. With HDR, you get richer colors and contrast, which makes the game feel more realistic. The custom settings are also a major advantage, as they allow you to fine-tune your gaming experience. You can adjust the picture, sound, and even the controller to your liking. But what about the disadvantages of these features? One potential drawback is that they can be confusing to use, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Another potential drawback is that they may not work as well with certain types of games. For example, some games may not be optimized for HDR, which can result in a less than ideal experience. Despite these potential drawbacks, Samsung's gaming input settings are a major advantage for gamers. When it comes to gaming input settings, Samsung isn't the only brand on the market. LG and Sony also offer similar features, but there are some key differences. LG's gaming input settings are similar to Samsung's, but they have some unique features of their own. For example, LG offers a game mode that's specifically designed for use with their OLED TVs. Sony, on the other hand, offers a more limited set of gaming input settings. However, their TVs are still popular among gamers, thanks to their excellent picture quality and other features. Overall, Samsung's gaming input settings are among the best on the market, but it's worth considering other brands as well. I've had the chance to try out Samsung's gaming input settings myself, and I have to say, they're impressive. I've noticed a significant reduction in input lag, which has made a big difference in my gaming experience. The HDR support is also amazing, and the custom settings are really useful. Of course, everyone's experience will be different, but I'm confident that Samsung's gaming input settings can enhance your gaming experience. Overall, I think Samsung's gaming input settings are a major advantage for gamers. They offer a more responsive, immersive gaming experience that's hard to beat. My rating for these settings is 9 out of 10. They're not perfect, but they're definitely worth checking out. If you're a serious gamer, I highly recommend exploring these settings and seeing what they have to offer. If you're interested in learning more about gaming setups, be sure to check out my other video on building the ultimate gaming PC. I'd love to hear about your experiences with Samsung TV gaming input settings, so be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.